Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new floor plan, Grand Design Imagine XLS. We're looking here at the 25DBE. 2 entry doors, which you see, great bunk setup, single slide out, solar, power tongue jack. Lots of new features on the 2024. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, before we head in, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. So be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in. Your one slide, bedroom up front with its own entry door. Nice, compact. You got the bunks and living area all in one room. So that's where we'll start. Your bunk area. Nice 2 teddy bear bunk series. Nice thick mattresses. These LED lights, the light strips on the ceiling. The main we'll go over in a second, but the bunk area, these top bunks has got its own light switch. It's got its own air duct. New cubby holes, Rollershades that black out. There, privacy curtain for the top and the bottom. And just to show you that you do fit, I'll climb in here, but you got this little cubby hole here for charging for your phone, snacks, goodies. And again, this window that opens has got the blackout roller shade here as well. Most of your bunk models are missing that. You do have your own light here. And then in the sitting area, your theater seat is directly across from the TV. Theater seat has cup holders. It's got its own footrest that kicks out. Nice Thomas Paine collection. You've got storage here in the middle, heat massage, LED lights. Down low here, you see a heat duct, nice little cubby hole here for storage. We'll go back to the bathroom here that's in the corner. You still get room in the bathroom, plenty of room around the toilet. You got a heat duct down low. All right, you've got your bathroom here, towel bar, AC duct with the roof vent, heat duct down low, nice little storage cubby holes, hanging, your hot water heater. They've changed the texture on this screen, so a little less see-through, but self-cleaning, retractable. I'm 6'5", standing up in the shower, my head touches. So 6'4" or less, you can stand in there. Medicine cabinet. You do have your own window with the roller shade. Nice spot for a trash can. You got receptacles in here. Back out to the living area. We mentioned the theater seat already, but across from the dinette, you got storage. You see a lot of these motion sensor lights throughout now, not only in the hallway or living area, but in the bedroom as well. So nice little feature you don't notice. Telescoping dinette. Flip these 2 levers to loosen it. As you can see, now it will drop, removing these cushions. We'll take a look at that made into a bed. All right, table down, made into a bed. You can remove the ends if you need a little bit more length. The cushions go like so. You can leave the table down or adjust these two levers again. And the table pops up and locks in place. Now it's back to being secure. You got storage underneath, obviously on all three sides. You do have some electrical in there and the Velcro to keep those cushions down. TV's on a swivel arm. It's a Roku TV. The swivel arm gives you easy access to get to the hookups, to see it from everywhere in the camper. Nice storage area behind the dark glass. Your light controls there. Darken the hardware and the accents on the cabinets. Again, we mentioned ducted AC. These light strips, your Compass Connect, you can dim those. You can turn them all the way off. So you got some options there if it's too much light that you couldn't in the past. The kitchen area, you got a pantry. Nice drawers that pull all the way out. Motion sensor light there as well. And a great spot for a trash can there. 12 volt refrigerator freezer. Rest of your kitchen, you've got countertop extension, receptacles. This flush mount cover acts as a splash guard over that 3-burner range. LED lights. Exhaust for your range that does have a light and does exhaust outside. Microwaves at a good height. And lots of good storage. You've got the 2 USB output there that drops down in the cabinet. Receptacles, lighting throughout. And you do have roller shades as well. Spray head extension, and then you've got the flush cover / strainer to give you a little more countertop space. Nice pots and pans drawer. And big drawers throughout, and they even doubled up on the countertop extension with the same solid surface countertops. Another exhaust fan, another AC duct. Where we started, the master bedroom, you do have a solid door to close that off with a magnet. So you might think that's not much, but it does keep that door from swinging if there are kids, if there are pets. That little magnet helps keep that door secure, and then the strap holds it in travel. In here as well, you've got that LED light. So one switch controls the main 3 in the living area that are dimmable. The other ones are controlled either in the bunk or the master bedroom. Got your own door we talked about. Fuse panel, circuit breaker, your heat duct, fire extinguisher. Lots of storage, soft touch headboard, the lights, night light or spotlight, hanging storage, again with cubby holes just like in the bunk area, and then receptacles on either side. Blackout roller shades, and your fire extinguisher, your fire exit does open. Under the bed, which is a queen 60 by 80. Walk around, you got shocks to hold it up, and you got the shelf that slides around. Another skylight or roof vent. Your brand new 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25DBE. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your model number right there on the tongue jack, which is power, LED light there. 2 20-pound LP bottles under the hard cover. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Your Imagine logo there on the front. 25 DBE has a dry weight of 6,176 pounds. Your new liner in this front pass-through compartment, which is a nice new feature there. Solar controller, your tire link, motion sensor light there. And you can control that here from the switch, so it gives you that nice bright storage area here. You got your battery disconnect, solar disconnect, water hookup, outside shower, all in one convenient area, and you can feed it right through the bottom here. That way you can keep this door shut. The magnet that holds the door up, and you got dual latches to keep a nice secure seal, which will keep water out, keep the door from warping. You've got a hole here, which is for the crank to drop down your spare tire. You've got your gray tank pull valve here. Your main slide out. Around back, your black and gray pull valve, your sewer hose storage there. Black tank flush. All four corner manual stabilizer jacks. Check down the description, I have a link to those. You got a factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, your 165 watt solar panel, TV antenna, roof vent, top of your slide out, another roof vent and skylight. Nice clean roof. You are prepped for backup camera. We are looking at a 30 amp service, which goes here. The receiver on the back has a 300-pound hitch rating, so nice for bike rack or storage bin. The back side of your furnace and that tankless water heater by Furrion. Full-length power awning with a LED light. You got the support in the middle there. Keeps that tube long-lasting from sagging over time. Outside kitchen, you got the griddle that slides out. Your refrigerator. You got a convenience light in there. Spray port here, so the water will reach all the way to the steps, the tires, or the kitchen. And that tees right off that LP line there. You've got the ABS brakes. You've got 14-inch Goodyear tires. Step above entry steps with this quick adjust legs on either side there, and it folds right up into the camper. Locks in place. Screen door and your main door have a friction hinge, so it stays where you leave it. You've got the exhaust for your range. Both doors have the large assist handles. Nice clean aluminum steps on the bedroom door there. Cable and power hookup. The other side of that pass-through storage, again with the motion sensor light. There's the crank for those jacks. Your brand new 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25DBE. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slide in, you can still get in the bedroom with that slide in, but you got that door. No issue with the refrigerator, freezer, and you got a little hallway here to get into the bathroom. So no issues, slide in.